Hi guys, my name is Isabella. Today I'm going to be baking. Come bake with me. So before I start baking, I'm going to tie up my hair and wash my hands. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Don't they look pretty and silver? Okay. Now I'm going to put them in all these molds, because if you don't put these cupcake molds in these, then you won't be able to get it out. So that's why we put it in these molds. Beautiful. Okay, so now they need to go in the oven, and my mom is going to help me with that, and I'm going to wash my hands. Guys, look at these. Do you remember how they were all flat? Now they're just going like into a mountain. Look at that. Look at these, aren't they adorable? And I also put some icing on them. And now I'm going to put on these pink and yellow sprinkles. I'm going to start with yellow. I'm just going to pour a little bit in my hand. Sprinkle it on. Look at it! Look at this, doesn't this look beautiful? And I'm sure it's going to be tasty.